Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening, good night to everyone who's watching my video right now. We're going to talk about my old YouTube that got banned in YouTube. This is just a short summary about my channel. But first hit that subscribe button and press like. So my channel or old channel name JMMR that got 500 subs at making videos about Minecraft memes. But in April 14, my channel got banned, and I don't know why that happened. My last video is this.
This video is repeated.
But right after that, my channel got banned, and I don't know what to do, but I appeal so my channel to get back right now. But it still said that my video is harming my audience, or so I got banned. And now I don't know what to do. But I know I can do this. Right after the ban, I created a channel in around Friday. I create this channel. That's it. Why is it short? Well, I'm not that great at telling my story, so yeah. Before I end this video, I share some verse to all of you. John 3:16. God so loved the world that he gave one and only Son, that whoever believes in him should not be perished, but have eternal life.